Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much. Right now, you'll find best braiding hairstyle ideas for black women. Come and find braids with unique cornrow hairstyles for ladies today. Very lovely and amazing hairstyle looks that should definitely help you stand out and look really beautiful and lovely all at once. Very beautiful styles. You can definitely see all views right here. Very gorgeous and amazing styles. Simple hairstyles as well. If you want something simple like the two braids hairstyles or straight back cornrow braids hairstyles, you're sure to find very lovely and amazing looks right here. Especially for the seasons, a lot of women do not appreciate spending a long time at the hair salon. This is a wonderful video for you to get very unique and amazing hairstyle look for that wonderful occasion. And of course, the season is a ripe one for you to pick styles like these. Again, for women that love to spend less time at the hair salon, this is the right video for you. You can find one or two intricate braided hairstyle looks, but of course it's all about you standing out and looking really beautiful and amazing. Go right ahead and share your thought on the comment section. Keep coming back for more. Watch out for more videos from us. We are planning to come with very unique and amazing styles moving forward. It's all about you at the end of the day. We try as much as possible to bring this information to your doorstep and, of course, help you stand out and look really beautiful and amazing. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye.